Ali, I'm going to show you how to do a blow dry and set for a great red carpet look. First, we're going to apply our extra body sculpting foam to give you that maximum volume and conditioning. Just about an egg size, work it all over your hands. Glide that closest to the scalp first and work your way through. Once I have that, then I'm going to split and go on the inside. I'm going to use my 413 sculpting brush to brush through the hair to make sure all of our sculpting foam is evenly distributed. Once the product is in, we're going to section your hair out into manageable parts. And the top by itself. Now I'm going to go in with our Express Iron round brush and our Express Iron dry to give yourself volume. Round brush the hair, lifting it up, focus on drying just the root first. Once that's dry, work through the ends. Roll the hair into a curl and clip in place. Now move to the top, start at the scalp. Just working my way back. Now it's your turn, Ali. Here's your extra body sculpting foam. Work throughout your hands. Just work closest to the scalp. We're going to use our 413 sculpting brush to just brush through the section, making sure that everything is distributed evenly. I'm going to roll each section and clip in place. Once the section is dry, make sure to roll it into your hand and create a curl and clip it in place. Now I'm going to go back into each section and refine it. I'm going to use a little hot off the press for a thermal protectant before I set it. Our Express Iron Gold curl to define out that way. Clip that back up when we style it out. So we're going to continue that throughout. Now it's your turn, Ali. First, we're going to put on our hot off the press thermal protectant. So now you're going to go in with your Express Iron Gold curl, the prong facing forward. Wrapping the hair away from you, let it go, push up the curl, and we're going to pin that in place. That's awesome, Ali. Work your way back and wrapping the hair away from you. Gliding that out close to the scalp towards the end. Now that everything's set, Ali, we're going to take out the clips and then dress out your curls for your red carpet event. Now I'm just going to brush through the curls. So I'm brushing your hair forward and draping the curls to frame your face and just letting the waves that we put in do its work. Alrighty, Ali, now it's your turn. So just glide your 413 through the curls, brushing that forward until you get a consistent wave, and just tuck that side behind your ear. Now I'm going to go in and finish the style with our extra body finishing spray. This is going to hold the style all night long from your red carpet to the after party. Okay, I'm going to let you finish off the style.